We represents the 6 best USB-C cables, adapters reviewed 2019. Let's get started with the list. Number 1. Anker Powerline 2 USB-C. The cable presented meets USB-C specifications. As long as you use the correct charger after about 3 seconds. It is durable and well built, comes with a comfortable Velcro fastener and has a lifetime warranty provided by a company we trust. In addition, it is certified under the USB-IF standard. This means that it meets a number of criteria developed by the USB Developer Forum, a non-profit company operated by Apple, Intel, Microsoft and other technical giants. Number 2. USB-C to USB-C charging cable. The charging cable is rated for 100W charging, so it can charge laptops, such as the 15-inch MacBook Pro, which comes with a 87-watt charger, at full speed. At 6.6 feet, this is as much as any cable we tested in this category. It has a USB-IF certificate and has a 1-year warranty from a company we trust. It works as well as Apple's 6.6-foot and 3.3-foot charging cables for the Apple MacBook Pro, which are not USB-IF certified, but they are twice as cheap and often cheaper than the Anker 60-watt charging cable. Number 3. Anker USB-C Thunderbolt cable. The cable is rated for 100W charging, so it will charge a 15-inch MacBook Pro or any powerful laptop. It supports Thunderbolt 3, so it can transfer data up to 40 gigabits per second between supported devices. Plus, its 18-month warranty was the best we saw in this category. When used with non-Thunderbolt USB-C devices, it functions as a USB-C cable that supports charging of 100W and USB 3.1 Gen 2 data transfer rates. Number 4. Belkin USB-A to USB-C. The presented charging cable allows you to charge your USB-C device, as well as sync photos, music and data with your existing laptop at a transfer rate of 480 megabits per second. In addition, the cable supports output power up to 3A for charging USB-C devices. Number 5. Amazon Basics. The cable is suitable for transferring data from a USB-C phone or storage device, for example, a portable solid-state drive, to a computer with a USB-A port, since it supports data transfer rates up to 10 gigabits per second speed. It is USB-IF certified, has a sturdy construction and has a 1-year Amazon warranty. Number 6. AUKEY USB-C adapter. The presented adapter model is a simple and cheap way to connect an existing USB-A cable to a USB-C port. This is great if you bought a laptop without USB-A ports, such as a MacBook Pro, and do not want to immediately replace each of its cables and flash drives. After testing several small adapters, we are sure AUKEY is the best. It has a 24-month warranty, and its size and shape make it easy to grip for connecting and disconnecting.